What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And before we get started, I apologize in advance. This is sort of a clickbait video, but it is an update video. It does have information in it, and the title is true. So let's talk about it. First of all, this is the garage. I haven't really filmed a lot. Just saying, what's going on, everybody? That just brings back memories. I want to start saying that more often. I want to film a lot more. I do apologize. Life just got in the way. The whole Rona thing kind of shifted everything in the channel, and my priorities changed. My life changed. Everything changed, and you know, I still feel like there's a lot to film, a lot to talk about, a lot of content to produce on the tubes. So don't go anywhere just yet. Follow with me here, okay? First of all, like I said, here's a tour of the garage. It is now my home gym slash detailing studio slash modding area. So there is no vehicle in here. As the title says, I did cancel an order. As the title says, I did actually have an order placed, well, a deposit placed with a dealership, a local dealership, since April of 2021. I gave a dealership money, and shortly after that, I sold the Hawk, one of my favorite vehicles I've ever owned, and I thought for sure I was getting this vehicle. Production delays, chip shortages, and, you know, COVID shutdowns on the plants and all of that other stuff unfortunately caused so much of a delay that here we are more than a year later and the vehicle still wasn't done. It will be built soon. It will be out there. It's going to be a badass vehicle, but let's talk about what changed. I changed. I literally had a year plus to stew, to think, and when I get in my own head, things happen. I guess I matured myself, and now I don't need to hear everybody going ape shit crazy. If you're modding cars and you're spending money on performance, that's on you. I don't care. I don't judge. I'm not calling you immature. I'm not calling you anything. I'm still a huge follower of so many builds. I love performance cars. I'm going to do a performance car down the line. We're going to get into that in a second too. But for right now, basically what changed is my priorities. I want to upgrade my family. I want to upgrade my house. I want to upgrade my businesses. And the last year I've had time to put more energy and more money into all of those, and I'm seeing tremendous results. And it just doesn't make any sense for me to stop pushing now. In the long run, it's going to be better for everybody involved, especially in my kids. And that's where I'm at right now. So I did order this car. I was going to get this vehicle. I'll tell you the spec and everything. I had infrared tint coat, because you know me, I'm very predictable and basic when it comes to the color. I had infrared tint coat. I had the natural tan interior. I had the suede steering wheel, the suede shift knob, the black wheels, the black lug nuts. I had everything, the whole Carbon 2 package, which was another issue causing constraint. I had everything specced out, and I found a dealership to give me a very low markup. Yes, believe that or not. Everything was planned. It was ready. I was priority one at the dealership for the order to go through. I was texting and annoying this salesman for over a year, and I was so excited to get this car, so excited to tell you all about this build, because I was going to send it straight to either RPM or Complete Street or somewhere, and I was going to have this thing built up. I had the whole thing planned in phases. I was going to do heads, cam, headers, intake exhaust, and E85 tune with the meth injection kit, Kong 2650 blower. That was going to be phase one. Phase two, I had, like, when I tell you I had this all planned out, I was going to do a Texas Speed 427 with a twin turbo setup, and it was going to be nuts. Also, mind you, by the way, this was going to be a 6-speed manual, which is the only reason I wanted that car. No offense to anybody that has an automatic performance car. They're awesome too. I just missed driving stick. I saw that pop up. I was like, holy crap. That's it. That's it for me. I need that. I want that. Damn, that thing is incredible. And it's going to be incredible. props to anybody that has one. I believe there was only 250 actually released from 2022, which should have been, I think, 2,000 to 3,000. I think they're going to release, or somewhere around 3,000. They're going to release total. This is a limited number car. It's only going to be a 1-year thing. It's going to be awesome, guys. It's going to be awesome. So if you have this car or you have this ordered, God bless you. That's so sick, and it's going to be a freaking awesome build, and I'm so excited to see what people do with these, and they're gorgeous cars. I'm so pumped. I was so excited for the carbon fiber back of the seats and everything, but I can't justify in my head dumping another $50,000+ into a car when I don't race at the track. I don't race on streets. I was gonna put 2 kids' seats in it, and then I kept thinking to myself, I'm not gonna hit the gas hard when my kids are in the car. I don't do that. I'm not going to risk my career, my life, my anything, speeding anymore. It just didn't make sense. I can't enjoy the car the way I want. There's going to be days where I'm like, oh, I can't drive it. And honestly, driving a Tahoe was fun. It was eye-opening. It made me realize I really, really, really like larger vehicles, specifically SUVs, and that I want SUV in my life. So as of right now, the plan is we are going full send on something. There still will be a new vehicle. The Tahoe will be sold. Once I lock down something, I'm hoping within the next couple weeks, the 2023 realm of orders for certain dealerships starts to open up. The order banks and everything opens up. And if I can scoop what I want, I will post what I ordered. And as I had planned, once my order gets accepted and I know it's going to get done, like I said, I'm going to post a video. I'm going to say, hey, I ordered this vehicle. I'm not going to say anything about the specs, and then when the car comes, I'm going to do a reveal of the car. And I have another special surprise for that video. You'll have to just stick around for that. So yeah, I ordered it and I canceled it, and that's that. It's 100% the truth. It's not a lie. I'm sorry for anybody that's going to be disappointed with this. I was excited. Trust me, there's nobody more disappointed than me. I hate what happened, but I truly believe through God everything happens for a reason, and I'm sticking by that. So my decision's my decision. Now, where does this mean the channel's going? It's not going to change a whole lot. Let's be real. The Hellcat, I didn't have a whole shitload of content. I feel like you can do a lot of performance mods, but I'm not that channel like It's Just a Six and all these other freaking awesome channels that wrench on their own stuff and race and actually do the right thing. I was never going to be that channel. As much as I would want to be like that, that's awesome. I was never going to be like that channel. Me, I like to do the mods, but I'm limited. I can't do the performance mods. You know, the visual stuff I'm going to learn how to do. I'm going to be teaching myself on the channel, carbon fiber skinning, so that will be content. 3D printing things will be content. I will mod the next vehicle at some level. It's going to be, you know me, it's going to be changed. It is what it is. It will be louder, it will be faster than stock, but not fast. It's going to be a luxury vehicle, like I said, but don't expect a luxury like, oh, damn, he's getting an RSQ8 or a Urus. Even though an RSQ8, by the way, I'm rambling, I am hopped up on coffee right now. So that's where that is. Now, where the channel's focus is going to be pushed, I'm going to start pushing more where I wanted to originally, which is the detailing. The detailing and the detailing products and paint corrections, ceramic coatings. I do have a side business and I do detail vehicles. I do paint corrections and ceramic coatings. I do other things, and I do plan on doing a lot more. So there's that. I will film all of that. That's a huge portion of the channel. And the other thing, which is the elephant in the room. Like I said, my life changed. I lost over 180 pounds so far since Corona started. I have a whole bunch of videos filmed documenting so much of how and why and what. But what I can say is my life was changed. That's the whole most amazing thing that happened during this tragedy and this crazy life-altering thing for so many of us. And now I'm very, very much into fitness and taking care of myself, and I'm nowhere near where I want to be physically, but I feel like I'm finally at a place where I'm happy, and mental health is so important. That is another thing I really, 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 truly want to touch on this channel and talk about. and make it into a platform. If you know me on my Instagram, then you know that I'm that guy that tells you if you're going through something, message me. I answer my messages. I'm not some channel that thinks he's big or something. I don't care what numbers say. I will answer messages. I've got so many people that are going through some stuff, and I've had people help me go through some stuff. Everybody has weaknesses and strengths, and everybody needs somebody at some point. I'm always there for you guys. I'm always there to support people, to help people, and I truly, truly, honest to God, mean that. So that's why I want the community. I want to keep changing my YouTube more into the community and have a fun platform here so we can all talk and we can start doing things. I want to post daily videos, vlogs. There's going to be a lot of things changing. But the fitness thing, I would like to start getting into it. I exercise 6 days a week, 1 to 2 hours a night, mostly 2 hours a night. I've got a lot of equipment that I just recently ordered that's coming here. Lots of things, lots of cool stuff that I could talk about. I'm very much into supplements. I've tried so many pre-workouts. I've tried a lot of things that I think I could give insight on and talk about and add that as content. So those are 2 huge things. And, like I said, the modding in general. Rants, I know if you follow me on Instagram, you know the rants. I'm going to be bringing them into the YouTube channel. So I will have topics where I just randomly start ranting. I'll probably do a driving rant. I can do a walking rant. I could do a jogging rant. I could do a treadmill rant, a Peloton rant. I could do ranting in between bench press sets. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Douche of the day. That will also be making a coveted return to the channel once I start gathering clips, and I'll start doing, X amount of clips, minimum 3. And maximum, there is no maximum, whatever I can film. Sometimes there's just a lot more douches than other times. So I'm going to start heavily going into that because thank God I have Blackwing, and I'm always protected by Blackwing. The new vehicle will have the 3-channel camera that they sent me so graciously. I absolutely love that company, and I haven't had a car to put it on. So the new vehicle will have the 3-channel camera. We're going to do so much more content. I have my cameras ready. I want to film. I want to get into it. I miss you guys so much. I feel like I've had a drought, like Arizona with no rain. It's really bad, but I'm back. I have plans for some videos. We're going to kick this off with a big tour. You guys have been asking. I'm not a professional detailer. I would say I'm a pretty good detailer. I would say I'm a prosumer. I buy a lot of products. I test a lot of products. I've got experience with a lot of products. It doesn't mean anything in the world of detailing. But if you value my opinion or you want to see what I have, what's on my shelf, a lot of people are into that. Pads, polishes, ceramic coatings, everything. I'm going to be going through all of that in a big video series where I break it down into stuff. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here. Sorry for the clickbaity title. I guess, I don't know. Is it a clickbait? I don't know. You guys let me know. But anyway, don't hate me. Just love me. It is what it is. Peace, love, and happy smoke if you're into that kind of stuff. But, we're gonna start doing some cool stuff, guys. I just wanted to check in with you. I haven't filmed in a while, and I really just wanted to film. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, which I'm sure I'm going to get some of you are, because you're going to see the title like, oh, damn, this guy ordered a car and now he canceled it because he's a loser. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Like I said, I've got a lot of things I think I will bring value to your subscription choice. And if you're an OCD OG, I truly, honestly, God, appreciate every single one of you. You guys are awesome and life-changing. I don't do this for money. I don't make enough money to even cover half a month's worth of my ordering on Amazon. So don't think that this is some kind of for-profit thing. This is just for passion. Different P, totally different P. But I do love you guys. We have a lot to talk about. We have a lot to do. We're going to build this channel up, and we're going to see where it goes. To the moon, Alice. Are you that old? Because I'm that old. I am. That's weird to say that. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I love you guys. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. And I'm going to see you guys on the next one, God willing. But thank you so much for stopping by this update. It's ending. The update's over. Is it over? Wait, my hand's still on the screen. Oh, some of you were talking about the vascularity in my hand. That's weird. Some of you stare at my hand. And you're like, oh, I knew you lost weight. Did I have really fat wrists? Jesus Christ. What changed? That's a little bit strange. But yeah. New year, new me. I don't know. same asshole. It is what it is. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.